Hello, and welcome to this special night for Aliana. I'd like the wild child to join me up on stage, because we have a little jam. If you're in my class, can you come up? I heard that Emmett's in. We're going to be doing a cover of Blackbird. They're going to be singing the part of the birds. Can we get it? Does anyone want to volunteer? Can I take 5 volunteers? Really quickly? All you have to do is this. We have to make some bird noises. We got 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're in Wild Child, our band, come up. Don't be afraid. You can join us. And if you guys would like to sing along as well, you guys can too. And, sorry. You're going to have to whistle really loud. It's like, can you try that right now? Perfect. And if you in the audience want to do it, go for it. This is a little song called Blackbird. Well, it's a blackbird singing in the dead of night. Woo! Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you're only waiting for this moment to arrive. You're only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Sing it. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life, you're only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird flying, blackbird flying into the light of a dark black night. Good, that's beautiful. Well, it's blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take your sunken eyes and let it see. All your life, you're only waiting for this moment to be free. You're only waiting for this moment to be free. You're only waiting for this moment to arrive.